this one here, they said it doesn't have the slip booth. So I'm gonna go in this one. It's a new one. No slip booth. No.
Yung Lagos.
No slip.
Lagos.
Yeah.
Yung Lagos.
No, Legazpi.
Senegal.
Oh, Lagos. Here these guys, they think I'm a Nigerian.
Yo, Mauritania.
I'm from Texas. I'm from Texas.
Ano, Africa.
No, born in Africa.
Where?
Born in Africa in Rwanda.
Luanda.
Yeah, but I live in Texas. Very beautiful place.
Good.
So, no sleep. Sleep birth. I don't think you understand what I'm saying. I don't think you understand. Look at all these guys here. Look at all these guys.
It's not live. It's not live, sir.
You saw my vlog?
No. What's your name?
vlog? My vlogs are
What name of your vlog?
I regret it. Look, I'm gonna go around DVC. Look here. You see? Look how I look like. Oh my goodness. Look. My bag are stacking. And the trucks. So, this is how you go in the ferry. I just go through here. In between these two trucks here. Oh my goodness. So I go where, sir? There's a dog there. Look, there's a dog there, see? Beautiful dog. It's on the chain. So this is how these ferries are. They carry all these trucks here. They are not like a semi-truck, but those who know trucking, because I did trucking, I know the category of truck. These are like the B class. Man, it's carry all this, and they have a beautiful dog there. On the chain. You put the dog on the chain, what? You chain the dog. Not good to put a chain. So come to go to pay. This ferry is different from the one you may know. The one I went there recently, they have what they call a slip berth. You can slip. But this one, no slipping. Yeah, it's carry even this truck here. Perishable good. My vlogs,
What name of your vlog?
I regret it. So by this